This is our first participation in Poultry India 2012. I wish all the visitors. I'm happy to announce that Bovian Healthcare is going to launch a new antibiotic after, I guess, after a generation, after 20 years in Indian market, which is fourth generation quinolone, and that is named as Mofoi, which is moxifloxacin 10% oral. This is first time an antibiotic being launched after, I will say, a 10 to 15 years time. The idea of launching this product, launching this antibiotic to give poultry farmers new options to contain the diseases, new diseases coming into their farms, new challenges they are facing in their farm. So Mofoi is the brand name, Mofoi is the product of the moxifloxacin, which is, I think, is going to be a big relief, a big weapon to fight them against the different poultry bacterial diseases in coming days. We are launching this Mofoi in Delhi on December 14th during International IAI Expo at IRI ground, and I will invite all my farmers, all my well-wishers to come and attend that launching seminar of Mofoi moxifloxacin 10% oral at IAI IRI ground. More so now I will like to talk about the other innovations also which we are offering to the Bovian, from the Bovian platform. We have an excellent emulsifier, and where the competitor dose rate is 500 gram, we are offering the same efficacy and the same concentration, same features in just 125 gram of addition of emulsifier in the feed, which is an excellent cost-effective mode to reduce the cost of feed. Then we have other products. We have other products like I will say OptiBlend. OptiBlend is the first time we are launching in the world. This is our own formulation which contains organic trace minerals, amino acids, vitamins, nucleotides, fatty acid, along with some grape seed extract. And it is worth known worldwide that grape seed extract is an excellent antioxidant which has in many times strong antioxidant power to fight stress in human and birds body. So this is first time we are launching this product also in India. I will request farmers to try this product in their farm and give their feedback. I'm sure they will be very happy. They will be very happy with the product result. Again, now we are launching 2-3 more new molecules in the due course of our expansion, and I will request farmers to witness the effectiveness of these products in their farms and give us little encouragement to take our steps, take our innovations further forward.